Hello kids, welcome to the world of the maths. So today we will learn that how to do addition. We will learn that how we can add the numbers together. So let's study with me. Okay, let's have a very good example of the apples. So if I have one apple here and I add three apples to it, so, how many apples do I have in the total now? So, let's count with me. One, two, three, four. So, how many apples do we have? We have four apples. One, two, three, and four. Okay, so let's have one more example of the butterflies. Alright, so let's count the butterflies with me. How many butterflies do we have here? One, two, three. Three butterflies here. And I'm adding how many butterflies to it? One, two, three, four. Four butterflies to it. So let's count them together that how many butterflies do we have all together? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So how many butterflies do we have altogether? Seven butterflies. This means that 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Okay, let's have one more example. Oh, these are the girls. Okay, so let's count the number of the girls here. So let's say there are two friends, right? And they are adding four more friends to it. So how many friends do we have in total? So let's count. These are two friends, and I'm adding one, two, three, four. Four friends. So that together the total friends will be one, two, three, four, five, and six. So this means that the total number of the girls here are six. So this means that 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, right? Yes. Okay. So this is the addition that we are learning. So you can see my videos and we can look at the subtraction also. So keep counting and keep learning and keep adding. Thank you.